Hello and welcome to this video on keto for women. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight, then the low-carb diet may be just what you need. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about keto for women and how to use it for weight loss. First of all, let's talk about what keto is. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body in a state of ketosis. This means your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. When you consume carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is used for energy. However, when you restrict carbs, your body goes into ketosis and starts burning fat for fuel. One of the biggest advantages of keto for women is that it can lead to significant weight loss. Studies have shown that a low-carb diet can be more effective than a low-fat diet for weight loss. However, it's important to note that not all low-carb diets are created equal. The key to a successful keto diet is to focus on healthy, whole foods that are low in carbs. Here's an example of a keto meal plan for women. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with avocado and salsa. Lunch: grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Dinner: baked salmon with asparagus and butter. In addition to following a healthy diet, it's also important to exercise regularly when on keto for women. This will help you burn even more fat and improve your overall health. When it comes to exercise, there are many different options to choose from. Some great choices for women on keto include strength training, yoga, and heat workouts. Finally, it's important to track your progress when on keto for women. This will help you stay motivated and make any necessary adjustments to your diet and exercise routine. You can track your progress by weighing yourself regularly, taking measurements, and keeping a food journal. Keto for women can be a safe and effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. By following a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and tracking your progress, you can achieve your weight loss goals and live a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.